Now look at all that yummy goose poo. Oh, it smells horrid. Oh my God, it stinks so bad. Oh, it's stuck on my shoe already. Got one on the fluke. Ooh, and he's fighting. Oh no, he spit it. No, no. I wasn't here 5 minutes and I had that dude. I thought I snagged the bottom. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Nice to see you guys again. First, wait. If you guys haven't already, do me a solid. Click subscribe right down there. It helps me out a lot. It helps me grow. We're on the climb, guys. We're shooting for 100 subs. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is awesome. I love seeing you guys, your comments, your reactions. I love the likes, everything. But we are out here on our home lake. Today we are tossing around some umbrella rigs, aka the Alabama rig. I got like 3 different varieties, different colors and stuff like that. We're gonna hunt out some of these MONDO bass that live in this lake. We're gonna find some of the deeper spots. I got my fish finder. We're gonna try and mark some fish. Speaking of fish, one just busted like 3 feet that way. Cool. But yeah, we're gonna, if we don't have any success with the umbrella rigs, I brought flukes on a spinning rod. We're gonna pitch and see if we can make that happen. Got a little bit of a pedal. I'm gonna get to one side of the lake to get started, and then we're gonna work our way around and see what we can make happen. Wish me luck, guys. First cast. I have no clue how to set, let this thing sink. I have no idea. Oh, that's crazy looking. Yeah, 10 feet right now. This stays fairly deep all the way up the edge here. Toss it at the edge and pull it back to us. That's probably bass. Oh, there's one. Whoa, I wasn't even paying attention. It feels good. Where you at, bucko? It's a channel cat. A channel catfish on an Alabama rig. What is this? I gotta have a seat for this one, guys. What? You guys seeing this crap? I gotta open my bail. What is this? That was not what I was expecting. And this dude nailed it. Come on, pudgy guy. Heck yeah. I got little leeches on him all over. Oh, he got triple hooked. You got it, buddy. Look at that guy. That's awesome. All right, buddy, you are not the target species, so away you go. Slimy little cuss. I was not even paying attention. My line or my rod just freaking bent. Whoa, hook my scale. Ah, catfish slime. Ugh. I have a smaller little pink one that I'm going to throw out as well. We hooked up? Or is that a bunch of weeds? Bunch of weeds, I bet. Oh yeah, all the weeds. All of them. Let that one sink just a little bit too deep. I don't know how deep we are. 9.5. There's that teeny tiny little spot I was standing in when that dude come up and crammed in next to me. Still in awe about that. I'm gonna have to come out here and do like a lake cleanup video. What do you guys think? Do something good. This lake is surprisingly low for how much rain that we've gotten over the past couple days. Holy crap, a baby deer. There is a baby deer. Dude, there is a fence there and the expressway's right there. Please don't go that way. Please. He's right there. Oh, buddy. I don't want to go over there because I don't want to spook him. Yeah, we're going to the bubblegum pink one. A little bit smaller of a rig. It's a 3-arm, 3-wire, whatever you want to call it. This one, I'll put some pink boys on. See if these bass like bubblegum. We ditched the buzz bait for a crankbait to see if they're hitting something like that. That was weeds. I gotta go to a little bit of a deeper area. There we go. line all wrapped up and wonky. Whoa, whoa, under the kayak. That's not what we want. There's one. Oh, he thumped it. That's a good one. Decent. Kind of had a feeling the crankbait would work. It usually does. Where are you at, buckaroo? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, because it's a walleye. Holy crap, you guys. It's a walleye. And he just inhaled that. Holy crap. All right, I gotta get my net. This dude's definitely a keeper. I bet you it's, I wonder if it's the same one. I caught one of these guys last year. He's heavy. Ooh, look at those eyes. He felt a little different than a bass. Now I see why. It's no umbrella rig fish, but my first keeper walleye of the year. Oh, and he's all wrapped up. Whoop, I almost just stuck my freaking hand in that walleye's mouth. He's got teeth. All right, where are we wrapped? Just right there. Oh my God, you guys. Look at that chunky boy. Look at the eyes on that thing. What a beautiful fish. Oh no, he throated it. I think I might keep this guy. I always said if I caught him again, I was gonna keep him. And at this point, I might not have any other choice. Suckers down in there. I'm so sorry, buddy. Finally got it. Jeez. That ought to hold him. Ought to. What an event. I have coagulated fish blood everywhere. There's one. Oh, he thumped it hard. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Eh, decent. He hit it harder than I thought. We could probably boat flip him. Oh yeah. Oh, he's chunky. He's chunky boy. Whoops, I didn't mean to conk you. This dude was not getting away, that's for sure. Oh, we're wrapped. Give me some slack here, Rod. I need slack, Jack. Oh, he's fat. He's got to be at least 2 pounds. All right, help me. I'm new. I don't know what to do. A little bit of slack. Look at this guy. Oh, maybe it's lunchtime, maybe it's the crankbait. I don't know. All right, buddy, you're freaking me out here. Ooh, right in that tongue. No bueno. Oh, that's bony. There we go. All right, nice little 1.5 pound chunk. They have this really cool iridescent blue on them. I don't know if the camera picks that up or not, but nice little chunky fish. Crazy sharp teeth. You good, buddy? You good? Yep. There's a pair of bass right there. And a big old carp. Whoa! That carp just went straight at those bass. I've never seen that before. Looks like it's time for me to start pitching some finesse. Because there's literally 2 of them there. There's a carp. Like, bro. Felt like he hit it. Yeah, he got it. Got him. Nice little guy. Look at that little dude. On the fluke. I knew you'd hit it. This little guy. He's got a girlfriend down there too. Put him back. He looked a lot bigger than he was. Tell you that much. Stopped for a pee break and these dudes were up in here. Hey guys, that is gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching. I appreciate you guys. We had a pretty good day. It was kind of eventful. Had a baby deer run through. Thought he was gonna fall in. I don't know if he ever got out or not. I'm assuming he did because I haven't seen him since. He just traipsed through the corner there and he dipped. But as far as the umbrella rigs, it was kind of a fail. I'm okay with it though. There's always another day. We got a channel catfish, which was kind of a surprise. A walleye on the crankbait. That was an even bigger surprise. He inhaled that thing. I've never seen a fish inhale a bait like that. Like the treble hook went through his gill and back out the other side. That was nuts. Decent little chunky bass too. Had a few bites here and there. I don't know what the deal was. The bite just, it wasn't really there today. But I did manage to get burned. Oh my God, you guys. It hurts. I am questioning my decisions today as far as forgetting suntail lotion, but that's all right. All right, anyways, we are on our way back to the truck. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you guys liked it, drop a like, subscribe if you want to stick around and see more. I'll see you guys in the next one.